Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default privacy for all future uploads if you regularly upload content and want to avoid changing the privacy setting every single time. This is a simple adjustment that can save you time and help prevent mistakes. By updating your account defaults, you can decide in advance whether future uploads should be public, unlisted, or private. That way, your preferred visibility setting is automatically applied going forward. To begin, go to your profile area. This is usually where you'll find your personal account options and general settings. Once you're there, open Account Settings. This section controls the broader behavior of your account, including the default choices that affect future uploads. Inside Account Settings, look for the Default section. This is where you can define the automatic settings the platform will use, unless you manually change them later during an upload. Finding this section is important because it allows you to set your preferences once instead of repeating the same choice every time. Now choose the privacy level you want to use by default. You'll typically see three options: public, unlisted, and private. Public means anyone can find and view your uploads. Unlisted means the content won't be publicly discoverable, but people with the direct link can still access it. Private means only you, or only explicitly allowed viewers depending on the platform, can access the upload. Take a moment to choose the option that best matches how you normally share your content. After selecting your preferred privacy setting, save the change. This step is essential because your new default won't take effect until it's saved properly. Once saved, the platform will automatically apply that privacy setting to all future uploads. It's worth remembering that this change affects future uploads only. It does not usually go back and update videos or files you've already uploaded in the past. If you ever need a different privacy level for a specific upload, you can still change it manually when publishing that individual item. This is a useful setting to review from time to time, especially if your content strategy changes. Setting the right default can help you stay organized, protect content that isn't ready to be shared widely, and make your upload process much smoother. That's it. Your future uploads will now follow the privacy preference you selected automatically.